you will really come to know what goes behind a stunt like that. Because मेरे हिसाब से the physical fitness on Dishoom is off the charts. I think when you have a man like John Abraham, तो कुछ नया करेंगे. We are becoming a digital world, so we will be taking that concept ahead. Jacqueline has a lot of concepts about Dishoom clothes. I think you should share with them.
I think it's about innovating right now and being creative. It's a very like fast-paced industry, and people are innovating all the time. So yeah, it's just about doing things differently and really kind of exciting the audiences right now.
Not at all true. Not at all true. They're all original songs given by Pritam, and it's a very, very fun soundtrack.
The trailer should come out in House. Okay. That's June 3rd.
June 3rd. And also, you have worked a lot with Television Matsur. So how is it working with Rohit and Varun?
More like a responsibility. I remember when I started Judwa, he was about 5 years old.
Aww.
8
years old. And to get both these brothers in one film is a great responsibility for me. You guys all know David. He will not spare me if something goes wrong with the publicity. It's more pressure for me to take care of kids. John and I will work. Jacqueline is
like fourth movie, yes.
Great on me.
She gets hit couple of times.
Well, actually, like I'm not physically part of the action, but I'm not doing actual action, but I am physically there. I am part of it with the boys, and so I have got to experience what they go through. But most of the time, it's like about kind of.
No, her character is a great mix of glamour and grunge. You know, she's a part of all the madness.
Yeah.
But
they're doing all the work, kind of thing. I actually didn't think about it, but it's fun. I mean, like I don't think you really get into a film trying to compete or trying to, really get into how you're going to stand out with, the actors that you're working with, because it really is about, at the end of the day, the teamwork and the camaraderie that you guys share, and that's the most important thing. And that was, I think, when we've, shot this film, throughout it was all about like how and what we could do for the film. So yeah, and it was like a really, really fun experience for all of us.
One more thing about the stunts acting, performing. Now the hero prefers doing their own stunt.
No,
how do you take this and like safety measures or the
see, I think this film was. I'll speak about the film more than anything else. I think coming together on a film like this is where you have probably the most powerful individual producer like Sajid Nadiadwala. You have probably the youngest, most popular actor in Varun, and you have someone so beautiful and so popular. In fact, her following is unparalleled in Jacqueline, and she's really popular amongst the youth. And you have someone like this boy, who I've done Desi Boys with him, and I can speak for him, and I can say you'll see him after Dishoom. He's going to be a powerhouse. So I think when you have a combination like that, and when we are all working together as a unit, the results are going to be fantastic. And I think we work, like Varun and me, our relationship off the set is even more comfortable sometimes than when it is on screen, and that really shows. And just the relationship that Rohit and all of us share is absolutely brilliant. So it's very seamless. This whole film is very seamless. Sajid and I have worked together before, and all credit to him, for mounting a film like this. I'm a producer, I know how tough it is, and he's done such a fantastic job, and there's so many things you have to deal with. And I think he's done everything so beautifully, and he still, trust me, sits here with a smiling face. It's damn tough. So I think a big congratulations to him for really making this film happen and seeing us through this last day. And I guess the rest is now all up
like
to
this
when
film.
we
I just
release.
like to add this film was, I was writing this film at a time where I was at like a really lazy stage. It was like it had been a couple of years from Desi Boys. I was helping Dad out with Main Tera Hero, and I just kind of had a couple of ideas, and I didn't even kind of totally love them at that point. And I remember when Sajid Bhai just called me and I shared them with him, and he tapped onto this one, and it was just his sheer confidence and faith that he showed in me that has allowed me to fly, and that pushed me to go ahead and write it and just get back to work and get back to the grind, so it's all thanks to him, to just get us all together and put this together.
When we met John for the interview, he said you are a combination of
Yeah, it's complete freedom once.
What do you have to say to that?
He's a combination of stuff.
I'm a combination.
Of Salman and Govinda. You are Salman and Govinda put into one.
I think that's very unfair.
He's
to
a
say.
combination of my father and mother.
That's true.
No, not really. I think we've left it to our action directors.
Correct. We have two really good action directors on the film. Stefan from Germany, who had previously worked with Sajid Bhai on Kick, and Alan Amin, who's a very, very popular Hindi film industry action director. And you'll see some pretty spectacular stunts in the film.
Very large.
Yeah, it's larger than life, but it involves a lot of different vehicles. And the best part is it's all done by John and Varun. There are no stunt doubles. It's all done by them.
पता नहीं अभी फोर्स 2 में और कुछ करूँगा मैं और उसके बाद इट विल कीप नहीं कंपटीशन नहीं है अच्छा लगता है अगर कोई कुछ अलग करे तो अच्छा ही लगता है हम लोग एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं कम्पीट नहीं कर रहे एंड आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ऑडियंस टू सी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स तो स्टंट से ज़्यादा अगर फिल्म्स की बात करें देन द फिल्म शुड बी अ लॉट मोर एंटरटेनिंग
आई थिंक जो यूएसपी होगी इस एक्शन की कि हर स्टंट जो है वो मैंने और जॉन ने खुद किया है एंड इसमें कोई स्टंट डबल यूज नहीं हुआ है इसमें कोई फेस रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ है इसमें कोई स्पेशल इफेक्ट नहीं है we've genuinely done everything together and I hope
and when two guys do it together the fun is only different. That's the USP.
कितने डरे हुए हैं
That's what.
हम लोग मतलब मैं कितना डरा हुआ था but उस वक्त you will really come to know what goes behind a stunt like that because and मेरे हिसाब से the physical fitness on Dishum is off the charts. I think when you have a man like John Abraham, you have someone like Jacqueline Fernandez, मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए जिम तो जाना ही पड़ेगा आपको वरना कल शूटिंग पे आप कौन सा मुंह लेके जाओगे वो पता नहीं आपको बिकॉज इतने फिट लोग होते हैं ये फिल्म पे आई थिंक शी वुड बी डूइंग जुम्बा ऑन वन साइड इंसैनिटी वर्कआउट जॉन इज वर्किंग आउट ऑन अनदर
और हम लोग ट्रंक्स में ही थे दोनों वरुण और मैं
द फुल सेक्शन वेयर वी आर हम दोनों के बीच में वी आर प्लेइंग अ टीम इन द फिल्म और जैसे मैंने बोला कि जॉन मेरे भाई की तरह है तो कोई मेरे साथ लड़ेगा तो पहले जॉन आएंगे तो सोच समझ के लड़िए मेरे
That's a guarantee.